So hello GM everyone, my name is Shayangiri and today I will explain something about Orbit. Okay, so what is Orbit? Orbit is a decentralized Oracle platform. Sounds complicated, right? Don't worry, let me explain in simple way. Let's start with a problem. We all know blockchain is highly secure as well as decentralized. Imagine you are building a blockchain based insurance app where you give all the refund to the farmer if their crops are damaged by the bad weather. But the problem is blockchain is isolated. Blockchain cannot get the direct access of the weather update. That is also known as a blockchain oracle problem. Oracle network solve this problem acting as a bridge between blockchain network and the real life data. They bring the outside data into the smart contract by which the smart contract use the real life data. Okay, but there are also a limitation. Traditional oracle networks are centralized. That means we also rely on a single decision. Here, the decentralized oracle networks come into the field, like Orbit. Solve this problem by using multiple data sources and nodes, making them more trustworthy using the AO computing. So the question is, what is Orbit? Orbit is a tool that helps smart contracts to access data from almost everywhere. This could include the weather update, stock price, or any kind of update or information. This is why we called it is a limitless data. It's remove the barrier and allow blockchain to access a wide range of information. Okay, previously I mentioned a name AO computer. You might be wondering that what's that? The AO stands for actor oriented. The AO computer is like a supercomputer made up with many similar computer. Okay, and each computer called as a node that work together. These nodes are connected through a network, share data, runs program and communicate as well. The AO computer is hosted on a platform named the Arweave network. What is Arweave network? Arweave network is a decentralized storage platform that designed to keep digital content safer forever. It does this through something called permawave, a type of wave where we store our like text, image, even app. It cannot be deleted permanently in future. Conclusion is Orbit depends on AO computer. AO computer is rely on Arweave and Arweave rely on permawave. I think that is clear to all of you. So yeah, I done a very brief intro about Orbit and the Orbit architecture, how Orbit works. So let's jump into their doc section. So here I come into the page docs.orbit.protocol. I paste the link in the description box as well. If you come into the page, here you get two options, get started and playground. Other than here is a developer option, learn by building, protocol, concepts, node operation, official links and other stuffs. Okay, so let's go with the get started option. If you just click the page, here you get the everything, every details how you can work with Orbit. Building with Orbit is as simple as making a get or post request through an API. After that, if you come into the handler section, here you get everything. Okay, so here as the interaction type, get real data, post real data, go to the example section. So the doc is ready for you. Just copy those code and come to the playground.orbit.co. Here you test your code directly. Nothing so much complicated. And one more interesting thing, you should pay your gas fees as a ORBT token. How to set up your wallet, how can you get some ORBT tokens, everything is mentioned in the doc section as well. Okay, I think up to this stage you have a good enough developer knowledge about Orbit ecosystem. After that, if you come to the docs.orbit.co/protocol/link, you get a demo project section. Here you get two links, one is content generator and a super labs. These two projects are purely built on Orbit ecosystem. Along with that, if you have an interest building app on the Arweave network, I mentioned these two links in the description section. Here you get the every resource from entry level to advanced level. With the reference, you will create some massive app in the Arweave network as well as the Orbit network. So I hope guys you've liked the video and I will explain clearly what is Orbit everything. So thank you so much for watching GM and goodbye.